Now the next thing we want to show you is about the 3D Sketch Extrude. Okay, this could be used for many of the applications, like if you want to design car body parts. Normally, when we try to get the surface, part of the surface of the object, the first thing we want to do is to do a fit surface. However, you may notice that the fitted surface is actually larger than the area that we want. So the thing we can do is that we can actually draw a 3D sketch first to define the area that we want to do. And we can use this 3D sketch to extrude a boundary to cut our fitted surface. To extrude the 3D sketch, what we want to do is here on the object tree, right click, select extrude, or you can select the 3D sketch and here on the part design, click on extrude. Normally we will do two sides. All you want to make sure is it go both sides of the object. And the direction of the extrusion, you can either use XYZ axis or you can choose average plane. This would be based on the average plane of your 3D sketch. In our case, it's the one that suits our need most. And here we can choose new solid and click on OK. So now we have the extrusion and we have the fitted surface. What we can do is to select both and doing a trim. Basically click out the area that you don't want, then OK. So this is how we can perfectly get a surface patch.